Hey, throw high.
थोड़ा आगे जाके बैठो तो को बंदे अंदर जाएंगे
So we are into the commentary box with Mr. Taki Shah, who is the father of a legend in the making, Wasi Shah from the UAE cricket circuit. Right now on strike, looks pretty confident as he walks out into the bat.
Commentary for Wasi Shah batting only.
Especially for Wasi Shah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sneaked in, but
4 runs.
missed the bat, missed the wicketkeeper into the boundary. Welcome runs for YTC. Pitch is not conducive for batting. It's a very dead wicket. The ball is nipping through. The ball is skidding on the wicket, not coming onto the bat. It's not easy out there. It's not easy to bat out there. But legends adapt to the conditions in which they play. That's played beautifully on the offside towards third man. The ball is racing away towards the fence. Third man comes around, could not stop, and that's a 4. So a great start from a great batsman. It was played right into the gap. The fielder had no chance, and Wasi Shah gets his first runs.
Century Wasi Shah ki.
Wasi Shah looks very decent. He is looking solid in a lot of match practice, thanks to his father. Once again, Wasi Shah on strike. This time plays it calmly on the leg side. Will sneak in a quick single. Yes, again, good running by Wasi Shah. He's an overall a very good cricketer. He runs well as well. So after a boundary, takes a single. Signs of a great player. Faris, another upcoming cricketer on strike. That's been played beautifully towards the third point region. The point comes around and they sneak another single. Good fielding there. It was played into the gap, but the point fielder comes around very quick and possibly saves an extra run. But this gives Wasi Shah the strike back again. The ball is zipping through, it's skidding, it's not easy, but Wasi's negotiating it. That's played beautifully into the gap. That will race away. There was 4 written all over it. So Wasi Shah in cracking form. Back-to-back boundaries.
Sir, are you happy about this?
Beautiful leg glance.
I'm very happy.
So we have the father of the legendary cricketer in our studios right now.
I'm very happy and I'm very much impressed that he is playing in such a beautiful way in batting, and I'm thankful to all the friends sitting among me, appreciating Wasi Shah's batting. I'm highly obliged. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Taki. Your hard work is really paying off. He's got a lot of match practice and this shows in this match today. He's been playing it very easily, although the pitch is difficult. So Faris is on strike, I believe, and that's a wide delivery. That was played very cautiously by Faris, although it was not a very good ball. He could have worked that away, but the advice from the centre is to play calmly, and that's what is following. And he's played that well off the leg side towards the final leg region with only get a single, and Wasi Shah is back on strike.
Wide.
Not wide.
Yeah, man.
No wide. Play.
It was played well. It was played off the legs and
No leg.
the final leg.
Play.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wasi once again on strike. A flighted delivery goes for a sweep. That should be 2 because it's into the gap. The ball is racing away towards the fence, but the fielder comes around and will be 2 runs to Vasi Shah. Sweeps it well. A flighted delivery, but Vasi was very smart in playing that sweep shot. So we have a fielder blocking our way. Once again, Vasi, and he goes for a big shot, heaved over the long on fielder, but mid wicket comes around. That will possibly be only a single, is it? Could not come back. Should have been 2, but a good shot nonetheless, and very good fielding by the mid wicket fielder.
Nazim.
That was well defended of the pads by Faris. Better over, but certainly, definitely more runs could have come. Another flighted delivery. Faris goes for the shot, top edge, and Vasi sneaks in for a quick single. Good call. And a very sloppy ball. Could have been hit anywhere, but the batsman could not connect. Faris was looking a bit rusty because he hasn't played matches in the past few months. He's been out of practice, but still he's trying to come in terms with the pitch. ये वसी नहीं है, फारिस है ना अभी?
हाँ, Faris.
So Faris is on strike.
Sean is the bowler.
Sean
And
again.
Sean comes in, beautiful delivery played off the legs. The fielder comes around, will not be a single, a dot ball to begin with. Exerting some pressure, but so far it's been very easy pickings for ICC. Faris once again on strike. Sean balls another flighted delivery. That was a good delivery. Strong appeal from the bowler, but a shake of the head from the umpire. 2 consecutive dot deliveries. A very attacking nature the batsman has, but he's playing steadily today and trying to negotiate the spin of the wicket.
Faris खेल रहे हैं. तो ये मैं didn't love Vasi.
Yeah, because Faris is he's looking like out of practice and he's not able to read the pitch, so he's missing some deliveries. The ball is stopping. It's a very difficult. That's a full toss and that's played through the gap.
Four run.
Beautiful
4
shot,
run, 4 run.
glorious looking shot, and the ball has raced away like a tracer bullet into the fence for 4 runs.
MashaAllah.
आओ जी.
Faris ने
हाँ.
It was a flighted delivery and made full use of it, Faris.
25 over में ना?
20.
20 over.
अगर वसी शाह ना उठा तो 25.
Once again, Sean bowling and the fielder can't come around and stop
अभी
the
मुकाबला जी फारिस से स्कोर कर रहा है वसी शाह का.
नहीं, Faris ज़्यादा कर.
So Vasi is on strike. Vasi who's looking very good. He's looking in form, and this can be a blessing, not disguise for Vasi. That was a good delivery and played equally well. So good cricket all around. It was a very good delivery and negotiated very well. The batsman came behind it